How to enable dark mode on Instagram on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram on iPhone. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, go to the Profile tab at the bottom bar. In the top right corner, tap the three bars to open Settings. Now scroll down to find the dark mode option and then enable it. Ensure that you have the latest app version. Alternatively, you can enable dark mode from the Control Center. Next, swipe down to the Control Center and tap the dark mode option. It will be displayed on the Instagram account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.